Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by confirming power to the dashboard cluster with a multimeter. Measure 12V at the cluster connector while ignition is on. Also check ground continuity to the chassis for a reliable return path. Inspect the instrument panel fuse marked dash or cluster. Replace any 10 fuse that shows an open circuit. Test the dimmer switch for variable resistance under different settings. Finally, visually scan for loose connectors and burned wiring behind the cluster housing. Power off and disconnect the battery before removing the cluster for safety. Remove fasteners and carefully pull the instrument cluster from its bezel by hand. Replace burnt bulbs using the vehicle's specified bulb type and 12V rating noted on the housing. Install new 10 fuses where applicable after inspecting fuse box contacts. Clean electrical contacts with a non-residue electrical cleaner to remove corrosion. Reinstall bulbs without touching glass to avoid hot spot failure, and reconnect the battery and turn the ignition to accessory mode for initial checks. Verify 12V at the cluster connector and confirm a solid ground reading. Turn on the engine and check each gauge and warning light for correct operation. Cycle the dimmer switch through its full range and note any flicker or uneven illumination. If lights remain dim, recheck bulb seating and connector tension at each lamp socket. Finally, secure the cluster into the bezel and torque fasteners to manufacturer specifications.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.